Hi everyone, we are almost in the weekend. And today I present to you an exceptional product. Many of you are looking for to buy an apartment in Marrakech, little atypical. This is the case of this apartment. It's a roof terrace of 240 square meters. It's sold at the price of 200,000 euros. A very good deal. This product is really exceptional because it's the only apartment on the 5th floor of this building. Around the living area, the terrace is around 360 degrees, offering a clear view on Guéliz. It's composed on the left, the night corner, including the parental room, with dressing and bathroom. A second bedroom with dressing and bathroom. On the right, large living room. A huge fully equipped kitchen. All rooms have access to balconies and terrace. Watching together the video of this apartment.
Love you now.
Clean apartment but need to modernize. Ideal for any investor wishing to buy a roof terrace and arrange it to his taste. The opinion of the agency. Exceptional product because it's ideally located. Contact us as soon as possible by WhatsApp or by email in description bar. I wish you a good weekend. See you soon.